Strength and scarcity. The toughest experiences I had in life shaped me into who I am today. I remember the hunger, the empty table, the first day of school with just one pen, one pencil, and a single piece of paper, all my parents could afford. Having nothing is not new to me. Our scarcity was my crucible, molding me into a survivor, a never giver upper. I learned to budget, to cherish every cent, to avoid waste, to make do with what we had. This nothingness is my inspiration, driving me to do my best. It shaped me into who I am today. I hold dear the values of courage, commitment, humility, and gratitude. Courage helps me face challenges, take risks even when fear grips me tight. Commitment means I stick to it, no matter how the hurdles, no matter the pain. This value brings reliability, persistence, a sense of responsibility. Humility, a mirror to my limitations, a window to others' contributions, their perspectives shaping my own. Gratitude,